Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Maserati Levante safely and effectively. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure you have proper jumper cables and wear protective gear like gloves and eye protection. Ensure both your Levante and the donor vehicle are completely turned off and in park or neutral, with parking brakes engaged. Position the donor vehicle so the cables can easily reach the jump start points. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. First, locate the positive jump start terminal under your Levante's hood, typically covered by a red plastic cap on the passenger side. Connect one end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Then, attach the other end of the red cable to your Levante's positive jump start terminal. Next, connect one end of the black negative cable to the donor battery's negative terminal. Finally, attach the other black cable end to an unpainted metal ground point on your Levante's engine, such as a strut bolt or engine block, ensuring a secure connection. With the cables securely connected, start the donor vehicle's engine. Let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow some charge to transfer to your Levante's battery. After this charging period, attempt to start your Maserati Levante. If it doesn't start immediately, turn off the ignition, wait another few minutes for more charge, and then try starting it again. Avoid prolonged cranking to prevent damage to the starter motor. Once your Maserati Levante has successfully started, it's time to disconnect the cables safely. Always disconnect them in the reverse order of connection. First, remove the black negative cable from your Levante's engine ground point. Then, disconnect the black negative cable from the donor vehicle's battery. Next, remove the red positive cable from your Levante's positive jumpstart terminal. Finally, disconnect the red positive cable from the donor vehicle's battery. Allow your Levante to run for at least 20 minutes to recharge its battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.